You're watching Daddy DIY. Alrighty, so the installation is up. Now we did skip a beat. I don't have any weird weather barrier behind that or up on any of these walls, and I won't weather barrier on these walls. So I only got this 6 mil, and I'm gonna be putting this on the floor before I do my flooring, and I'm gonna cover up all of these walls, including this exterior wall. And I'm gonna be coming out, I'm gonna cover this wall as well, because I'll have this door open a lot because this is gonna be the workshop. So I'm gonna make sure this wall is well insulated with plastic and everything, so it doesn't, you don't get any wind or moisture or air getting through or out of that room when the heat and everything is on. All right, the contractor is out now trying to buy these bricks and get the match same. So I want that to match all the way across, and then there'll be a window here in the middle. All right. From 6 mil. So when you unfold this plastic, just for me, it's not gonna be for everybody, but when I unfold this, it's the length of my entire wall. It goes from one end to the next. So I just cut the height to go from the ceiling to the bottom. So now all I have to do is start at one end, tack it, and unfold it down, and it'll give me the whole way to the end. All right. Got my roll of plastic cut, and it just so happened that this, when I unfold it, is the length of my wall. Just a coincidence. So I don't have to really cut that much excess off, but if I did, I would just cut the excess off. All right, so I got it cut for the height. I'm gonna start down on that end and get it nailed up. All right, I went back along the top line and I stuffed every gap. Anywhere that there was a little seam or gap or a crack, I stuffed it in installation. Even back in this, anything that wasn't all the way flush over there, I went in and added more all the way across. And I did that on both sides. All right, now let's get the plastic up. All right, here I'm starting to put the plastic up. And keep in mind, I am not a contractor. I'm just a DIYer who likes to do things on his own. So this is probably a level 1 project. It's just hanging plastic and stapling it to the 2x4s. So don't be afraid, jump in there and just get her done. Come down this side, put a couple in. I just want to thank everybody for watching Daddy DIY. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can continue to see more videos from me, Daddy DIY. Here I'm just simply cutting the plastic so we can access the outlets once we put the drywall up, the same way we would cut the access. So the tape right there will be alright. This room has 5 outlets, so I have a lot of these to cut out. All right, so I'm gonna use this staple hammer, staple this plastic across this wall, because this side will be open, open and closed, because this will still be having a garage door. This will be my shop side. So I want this wall to be very good and insulated. I'm gonna add plastic to this wall. So I can get to the end here. In this stage, the room really comes alive for me. I get to see the separation of the 2 rooms, and it's starting to feel like a room. Alright, so I got that whole corner done to see. Alright, so I have that done. Stapled all the way to the bottom. Left me a little gap hangover at the bottom and at the top. And I'm going to transfer this all the way down. You're watching Daddy DIY. Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY. Alright, so I got this side up. I'm gonna go back down, put some through these beams, come across my bottom plate, and then cut out my receptacles. Okay, so I have to get around in this corner and wrap this with plastic to seal this barrier. I don't want any moisture or air to get in through this. This is gonna be the closet. Going around into that's the bedroom. All right, so I'm gonna tape out this corner wall. I'm not gonna record that one. Such a tight spot. I doubt you'll be able to see anything. So make sure if you got any gaps like this, you want to stuff there with installation as well. Up and around there, I'll put a little bit in that gap, and probably come back and caulk it as well. Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY.